Toyota just unveiled the all-new 2027 Tacoma with a mid-cycle refresh that's turning heads and changing minds across the entire mid-size truck segment. If you've been frustrated watching truck prices climb while features you actually need disappear, this comprehensive update addresses exactly those concerns. Most refreshed trucks give you minor cosmetic tweaks and call it a day, but the 2027 Tacoma is delivering real powertrain upgrades, expanded off-road capabilities, and genuine interior improvements that matter to how you use the truck every single day. Fresh look. The current fourth-generation Tacoma made its debut back in 2023. 3 years on the market means it's the perfect time for updates that keep this truck looking current and competitive. The 2027 model is bringing styling refinements designed to ensure the Tacoma maintains its aggressive presence. Toyota's design team is working to sharpen the front fascia with updated headlamp clusters and a revised grille pattern that gives the truck a more modern expression. Around back, expect to see updated taillights along with a refreshed rear bumper that complements the changes up front. Here's where the Tacoma solves a problem that's becoming increasingly common. Walk into most dealerships today and you'll find mid-sized trucks with limited choices. Crew cab only, one bed length, take it or leave it. That's frustrating when your specific needs don't fit the one-size-fits-all approach. The 2027 Tacoma takes a different path. It continues offering both extra cab and double cab body styles, giving you real choices. Bed length options remain available too, with both 5-foot and 6-foot configurations depending on whether you prioritize maneuverability or maximum cargo capacity. This variety has become increasingly rare in the mid-size segment, making the Tacoma stand out for buyers who need specific configurations. But fresh styling and configuration options don't mean much if what's under the hood can't deliver, which is exactly why the powertrain updates deserve close attention. Powertrain upgrades. The current Tacoma lineup already delivers impressive performance across the board. The 2027 refresh is taking things further with meaningful powertrain enhancements that address both efficiency and output. The iForce Max hybrid setup is getting refined. For 2027, engineers are improving the system to deliver smoother power delivery and better fuel economy, along with a modest power bump. Here's what that means when you're actually using the truck. If you've ever merged onto a busy highway with a loaded bed, you know that hesitation can be nerve-wracking. The refined electric motor integration is eliminating that uncertainty, providing instant low-end response that gets you up to speed confidently. No lag, no waiting for turbos to spool, just immediate thrust exactly when you need it. The gas-only models aren't being left behind. Both the standard output and high output variants of the 2.4-liter Turbo 4 are receiving updates. The standard version is gaining approximately 10 horsepower along with additional torque, while the high output model is pushing even further ahead, with power figures about to exceed 285 horsepower. That's serious grunt for a mid-sized truck. Now here's the news that enthusiasts have been waiting for. The 6-speed manual transmission remains part of the 2027 lineup. In an era where manuals are disappearing from trucks entirely, Toyota is keeping this option alive. The 8-speed automatic is getting refinement too, with updated programming that makes shifts quicker and more responsive. Of course, all that power is pointless if you can't put it to use where it matters most, and that's where the off-road upgrades come into play. Off-road expertise. Toyota's approach to off-road capability has always been comprehensive rather than one-size-fits-all. The 2027 Tacoma is expanding on this philosophy with an even broader range of trail-ready variants. At the entry level, you'll find models suited for weekend camping trips and occasional dirt roads. These trucks come equipped with solid fundamentals like skid plates and hill descent control, providing confidence without extreme weight penalties. The TRD Sport and TRD Off-Road models are getting enhanced suspension tuning that improves both on-road comfort and off-road articulation. Think about your typical week. 5 days commuting on pavement, maybe towing on the weekend, then hitting Forest Service roads to reach that perfect camping spot. Most trucks force you to choose between daily comfort and weekend capability. These mid-range TRD variants refuse that compromise, delivering planted highway manners Monday through Friday and genuine trail ability when Saturday rolls around. At the top sit the Trail Hunter and TRD Pro. These are purpose-built off-road machines that take capability to extreme levels. The Trail Hunter focuses on overlanding, with equipment designed for extended backcountry expeditions. The TRD Pro emphasizes high-speed desert running and technical rock crawling. Features like Fox internal bypass shocks, locking rear differential, and aggressive tire packages transform this truck into a genuine off-road weapon. Each variant is carefully tailored to specific types of off-road use. You're selecting the exact capability set that matches your adventure. But here's the thing, you could have the most capable off-road truck on the planet and it won't matter if you can't stand being inside it during the drive to the trailhead. Interior updates. The fourth-generation Tacoma brought major improvements to interior quality and ergonomics when it launched. Those strengths are carrying forward into 2027 with additional refinements. What's changing are the details. New color schemes, upgraded materials in key touchpoints, and enhanced acoustic insulation that reduces road noise. Seat design is getting attention across multiple trim levels. Base models receive improved cushioning for better long-distance comfort. Higher trims are introducing new upholstery options, including more durable synthetic materials that resist wear while looking upscale. Anyone who's tried using navigation while wearing work gloves knows the frustration of touchscreens. Your fingers don't register, you have to pull the glove off, fumble with the screen, then put the glove back on. Toyota's solution is keeping physical controls plentiful throughout the cabin. The infotainment system is receiving software enhancements that improve response times, and wireless connectivity becomes standard across more trim levels. The available 14-inch touchscreen is getting an updated interface, but for climate control and volume, actual knobs and buttons remain exactly where your hand expects them, so you can make adjustments without taking your eyes off the road. And speaking of thoughtful improvements, the safety enhancements are where Toyota is really pushing boundaries. Safety. As one of Toyota's volume leaders, the Tacoma receives priority access to the latest safety innovations. The 2027 model is introducing the newest generation of Toyota Safety Sense, which represents a significant step forward. The pre-collision system now detects motorcyclists and cyclists more effectively, expanding protection beyond just vehicles and pedestrians. Response times have been shortened too. Lane departure alert and lane keeping assist are becoming more refined, with improved camera recognition that works better in challenging lighting conditions. Adaptive cruise control gains new functionality, including better stop-and-go performance in traffic. Picture yourself backing out of a crowded parking spot at the hardware store on Saturday morning. Cars are cruising past behind you, shopping carts are rolling by, and visibility is limited by trucks parked on either side. That moment of uncertainty, wondering if something's in your blind spot, is exactly what improved sensors are designed to eliminate. The 2027 Tacoma's blind spot monitoring coverage is expanding, with sensors that detect vehicles approaching from further back. Rear cross-traffic alert is getting similar improvements, and these systems work together more cohesively, sharing data to provide more comprehensive protection. Now, all these upgrades naturally raise one critical question that every buyer needs answered: price and launch date. Toyota is positioning the 2027 Tacoma to maintain strong value while incorporating all these improvements. Production is scheduled to begin in the second half of the year, with trucks arriving at dealerships soon after. Pricing will see modest adjustments to reflect the enhancements. Base models are about to start just above current levels, in the mid to high $34,000 range. That keeps the entry point competitive while delivering meaningful upgrades. Mid-range TRD variants will probably land in the low to mid 40,000s, which represents fair pricing considering the capability on offer. The top-tier Trailhunter and TRD Pro models will command premium pricing, reaching into the mid-60s when fully equipped. That might sound steep, but these are extremely capable machines that offer functionality matching much more expensive specialized off-roaders. When you consider what you're getting, world-class trailability, modern technology, and Toyota's legendary reliability, the value equation still works out favorably. Compared to competitors, the Tacoma is maintaining its position as a strong value play. The Colorado and Ranger have both seen significant price increases recently. The Tacoma's incremental bump keeps it competitive, while the enhancements justify the additional cost. The 2027 Toyota Tacoma refresh proves that mid-cycle updates can deliver genuine value when done right. We're looking at refined styling that keeps the truck contemporary, upgraded powertrains that add performance without sacrificing efficiency, expanded off-road variants that cater to different adventure styles, thoughtful interior improvements that enhance daily usability, and advanced safety systems that provide real protection. The combination of rare configuration flexibility, proven Toyota reliability, and competitive pricing creates a package that's difficult for competitors to match. When these trucks hit dealerships late this year, they're positioning the Tacoma to maintain its dominance in a segment where every manufacturer is fighting for market share. But Tacoma isn't the only mid-sized truck that's getting important updates to remain competitive. If you're more of a GM fan, you definitely want to check out our next video about the changes on the 2026 GMC Canyon. The ultimate mix of capabilities and refinement has just gotten to the next level.